Hey, Christopher Lee here. I want to show you one of our new selection of homes. This is the Jessup right here. We're going to take a look inside. I want you to enjoy this tour. If you're the type that likes to entertain your company, look at this entertainment system right here. I want you to look at the layout. We also have the new color schemes that you can go with. We like to give you everything you're looking forward to seeing in your home of your dreams. The kitchen is really nice. You come with a nice size icebox with an ice maker. Then you also have a smart stove, all right? These stoves, I love them. Then it comes with a nice size where everything will not be in the way. Look at all the cabinetry that you're gonna get. The stainless steel products are one of our outshining products that we're putting in our new homes. All right, that's the pantry right there. The pantry is a nice size. If you go on the other side of the cabinet will be the washroom. A nice size washer and dryer can go in there. Then if you look up this up space right here in cabinetry, you have spaces to put decorative items in to give your kitchen some shine. Remember, all our kitchens, real wood. We don't like to do the fake stuff. Then you have a nice table size for dinner area. And remember, with all our homes, it comes with energy friendly products. All right, going through here, I like to show you one of our rooms. This is a nice size room, perfect for the start off family. It's a 4-bedroom and 2-bath home. Take a look at our ceiling fans. That's another decorative item we have. We have upflow air as well. The windows are the easy clean windows, which all you have to do so you won't take out the screen is you open them and bring them out. Give you the unique quality of not working so hard, but to keep your house clean. All right. The restroom for the master bedroom is really nice as well. So I want you to take a look and come by and see us at Manufactured Housing of Victoria, Texas. And I want you to see the new products and the new luxury homes we have.